to our channel with a beautiful henna tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating topic, henna and its beautiful experience with my clients. I've been a part of the YouTube family for a while now, and I'm so excited to share this experience with you all. So, let's dive right in. Henna is a natural, plant-based dye that has been used for centuries in various cultures around the world. It's known for its beautiful, intricate designs and its ability to create stunning body art. I've had the privilege of working with many clients who have shared their incredible stories with me. They've told me about the memories and experiences they've had with henna, and it's been an absolute joy to be a part of their journey. I'm truly grateful for the opportunity to connect with my clients and learn about their unique experiences with henna. It's been an eye-opening and enriching experience for me, and I hope you all enjoy hearing about it as much